Welcome back, this is Kadar, and in this part of our family jukebox tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the functionality of the buttons. So basically what we're going to have here is that we're going to have the buttons link to pages in the presentation, and we need to decide which page will be for each person. So let's say that page 1 is for Abba, page 2 is for Ima, page 3 will be for Elian, and page 4 will be for Eli. So I'm going to start from here, Abba's page, and I'm going to go and click Abba, and I'm going to fill it with a certain color, let's say the blue. The reason is that it will, in each page, a different one will be highlighted, so it looks like this is the one that's on. If you want to go a little bit fancy, you can click on the shape, that little square, and you can go to format option, and you could play around with the drop shadow just to add another kind of layer of appearance. Let's give it a purple drop shadow, and we can make it a little bit further so it has this little purple underneath it. Okay, let's close that. And then we are going to go to page 2, slide 2, and here we're going to do the same, but for Ima you can choose the same blue or a different color. There we go. We're going to go to page 3 or slide 3, click on Elian's box and give it a color, and then we're going to go to page 4 or slide 4, click on Eli and give that some color. Okay, the next thing we need to make its functionality, the links. And the way this is done, you go to page 1 and you click on Abba. Now here you got to make sure you click on the border and not inside. Okay, you don't want to see the cursor going on and off. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see better what we're doing. Okay, so you don't want to see the cursor, because what's that going to do is it's going to stick the word link inside here. You want to rather select the border, and then you want to find the link button. It might be hidden under the 3 dots. This is our link button. Alternatively, you go to insert, scroll down, link, but we see it also have a shortcut, Control K, so might as well use that. And now we want to connect it to a slide in this presentation, and we're going to choose slide 1 and apply, because we want that whenever someone clicks the word Abba, it's going to take us to slide 1. I'm going to do the same in page 2. Click here, Control K, slide in this presentation, slide 1, apply. We're going to do it here, click on Abba, Control K, slide 1, apply, and on the 4th one, click on the frame. Remember, always click the frame, you don't want to see the cursor. Control K for the link, slide in this presentation, and slide 1, apply. Okay, so now basically what it's going to do is whenever you are on the slide, on present mode, and you click the Abba button, it's going to jump to slide 1. We're going to do the same for slide 2. And here is another, I'm going to show you another way to do it, which might be a little bit faster. I'm going to click on Ima here and Control K, and Ima we decided is slide 2. So set it up to slide 2 and apply. Okay. If you want to check that, click. And once you click on it, you see the link. Now, what I'm going to do now, which is will give us the same result, but it's a slightly different way of doing it. I'm going to actually copy this button by clicking Control C. Then I'm going to go to slide 2 and I'm going to delete this email button by clicking the backspace on your keyboard, and then I'm going to paste what I've done. And what it does, it copies the button in the same location with its link functionality. And I'm going to do it again in slide 3, sorry. Delete that, paste the button, and again in slide 4. Now it's really up to you. You can do it the first way or the second way. But if you do it that way, what you then have to remember is to go back to slide 2, which is Emma's songs will be on it. And then you're going to go here and you're going to again give it the color. Okay, let's do it quickly for the last 2 people in the family. So Eliane is going to be in slide 3. So I'm clicking on the border, Control K, slide in this presentation, slide 3, apply. I'm going to copy that and delete this and paste the link. Go to number 3, delete the blue one, paste, and I'm going to give it the blue color straight away. Go to 4th one, and stick it in, and you can see the functionality copies with it. And I only have Eli left to do, so I'm going to go here, click on Eli, Control K on the keyboard to get the link selection, and now I want to link it to slide 4, which I can't see right now, but here we go, slide 4. Apply, and I'm going to copy that straight away. Go to slide 2, delete Eli from here, and paste the one which already have the link. Go to slide 3, click on Eli and delete. Paste the one with the link. Go to slide 4, delete Eli, and paste the one with the link. And because this is going to be Eli's slide, I'm going to now make it blue. And just to show you how it functions, if I click on present now, this is my jukebox, and if I click on ABBA, it goes to ABBA. Now nothing else changes, so it looks like literally the button lights up, although obviously it's a whole new slide, but because the background remains in its place, and so does the jukebox, it looks like you literally press the button. Emma's button, Eliane's, and Eli. So this is how we make it function. And what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to add songs for each person, which is the purpose of this exercise.